What's up guys, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from RealMattressReviews.com. Today I'm excited to unbox and give you guys my first impression of the 14-inch Venus mattress from GelFoamBed.com. So what's really exciting about this mattress is the fact that it is 14 inches thick, and the queens right now, with any available coupon that we have that you can find down in the description by clicking the link, the queens come in at $815. So that's a very, very competitive price, especially since the mattress is 14 inches thick. So I'm really excited to get this opened up. Once we do that, what we'll do is I'll push on the foam and lay on the mattress for the first time. And then we'll talk a little bit about how it's constructed before I start my full sleep trial on the mattress. So what I'll do quickly here is get it opened up, and then we'll take a quick preview of the 14-inch Venus. Alright guys, we've got it all opened up. As you can see, it expanded out. It took a little bit longer. I had it sitting in a cold garage, and I've actually had this for quite a while, so it's been roll packed for quite some time. But what you can expect if it is roll packed for a long time, or if you are in colder weather, you're going to have a little bit slower expansion. Another thing you can expect right out of the box with any of the brands, they're going to feel a little bit softer right out of the box than they will 2 to 3 days later when they have a chance to fully breathe and that foam fully expands and reaches how it's supposed to feel. So we'll talk today a little bit about how it feels right out of the box, but you can expect what I say here today to maybe get about a point or two firmer after it is allowed to expand for a couple more days. So what I'll do first is push on the foams. We'll take a look at foam response. So this is a 6-layer mattress. It uses gel-infused memory foam quilted into the cover. So you have 1.5 inches of gel memory foam that's going to provide nice cushioning and cooling on the top layer. The gel memory foam won't trap heat as much as your traditional memory foam. Then you've got a 3.5 inch transition layer and a couple different EcoFlex is what they call their foams. You have a couple different 1 and 1.5 inch layers with a 5.5 inch foam core. So this is an all foam mattress. You're going to expect very little motion transfer and kind of that nice balance between gel memory foam and a more responsive foam underneath, being that there's only 1.5 inches of gel memory foam on top. You're not going to really get a stuck feeling necessarily, but you're still going to have the good pressure relief, and then that second layer is going to make sure that you have a little bit added bounce and deeper support there for your lumbar and stuff like that. So we'll push on the foam. As you would expect, those bottom layers pop up immediately. The top memory foam layer takes just a bit longer, but it is a fairly fast responding memory foam. So I will go ahead and lay down. This already does have a nice firmness right out of the box, which means they do use good foams because I've had this rolled for quite a while. So right when you lay down, you feel that memory foam can form nicely here in the lumbar. I would give it right now probably about a 5.5 out of 10, with 10 being the firmest. So it is kind of in that sweet spot, and I would expect it maybe to get just maybe like a half a point or a point firmer once it's allowed to be open here for a little bit longer. But realistically, right out of the box, I think it's going to be good for combination sleepers. Definitely soft enough here on my side, conforms nicely here on my hip. I don't have a lot of pressure pushing up here on my hip or my shoulder. Keep in mind I'm about 200 to 210 pounds. And if you're lighter, obviously it's going to feel a little bit firmer. If you're heavier, it might feel a little bit softer. But overall, they have a few different mattress options, and this is a very, very competitively priced mattress. Once it's fully expanded, it's going to be 14 inches thick, and the queens right now, with any available coupons you can find by clicking the description down in the link, is going to come in at $815. That is very impressive when you consider a lot of the 10-inch foam mattresses on the market are in that $800 to $950 range. So you have a more substantial mattress with a very competitive price. So a couple other things that GelFoamBed offers on this mattress is a 365 night trial. So you have a whole year to decide if this is the right mattress for you. 10-year warranty, and as I mentioned, queens right now are $815. So for the purposes of this video, if you are interested in a foam mattress, in a more substantial mattress than a 10-inch foam mattress, which I really like, you're not going to have to worry about it bottoming out. Some of the 10-inch beds, if you even do this, you'll hit the box spring or the platform that you're using. When you lay out on them, you're not going to have to worry about that, but it's just more substantial, so that's something I like, and especially for a good price, I mean, you really can't go wrong. So if you are seeking an all foam bed with a gel memory foam on the top, so you have that true memory foam feel, if you're seeking a substantial mattress and kind of that medium sweet spot gel memory foam mattress, this could be a good option for you guys. But stay tuned, we're going to start our sleep trial on this as soon as we have a chance, and then I'll follow up with a full comprehensive review where we'll do a few more tests on the mattress and really talk about our experience sleeping on it and how it performed for us, and then ultimately who I think this might be a great fit for. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.